Welcome back. This is round one action in TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. The scores are Mona Heights Primary on 4 and Mandeville Primary also on 4. It's now time for the Junior Challenge Face-Off, which covers math, science, English language, and social studies. Face-Off 1 is in the category of mathematics, and it's between Emma Ming of Mona Heights Primary, who's up against Jnr Bramwell of Mandeville Primary. Emma, we begin with you. What's the sum of 598 and 689?
1,287.
That's correct. I'm going to need you to speak up a little louder next time. Emma, what is 0.55 as a fraction in its lowest term? Time's up. Jnr, want to try?
Yes, please. 11/20.
That's right. Emma, what's the value of the third angle in a triangle if the other two angles are 33 and 59 degrees respectively?
$88.
Your answer came before the bell?
88 degrees.
That is correct. Emma, what's the mean of 33, 67, and 50? Question passes. Jnr, want to try?
Yes, please. 50.
That's correct. Emma, how would you say the figure written as 6, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 9? Question passes. Oh, you answered the question. Can't hear you. That is correct. Jnr, we're now over to you. What's the sum of 777 and 396?
$1,173.
That's right. What is 0.65 as a fraction in its lowest term?
13/20.
That's correct. What's the value of the third angle in a triangle if the other two angles are 79 and 54 degrees respectively?
70 degrees.
That's incorrect. Emma, want to try?
39 degrees.
That's also incorrect. It's 47 degrees. Jnr, what's the mean of 23, 117, and 40?
60.
That's correct. How would you say the figure written as 297, 259?
297,000.
That's incorrect. Emma, would you like to try?
297.
Emma, I can't hear you.
297,259.
Correct, studio? That is correct. Taking us now to our next face-off in the category of science. It's between Ayele Ali Cook, the captain of Mona Heights Primary, up against Jamaica Josephs of Mandeville Primary. Captain Ayele, what's the name for a group of individuals of the same species within a community or country?
Natives.
That's incorrect. Jamaica, want to try?
Population.
That is correct. Captain, what type of rock is pumice?
Sedimentary.
That's incorrect. Jamaica, want to try?
Metamorphic.
That's also incorrect. It's igneous. Captain, what word starting with S is the name for a thing that causes the human sense organs to respond? For example, heat or sound.
Stimuli.
That's correct. Is a rabbit a carnivore, herbivore, or omnivore?
Herbivore.
That's correct. What's the name for the natural removal of weathered parts of a rock from one place to another?
Sedimentation.
That's incorrect. Jamik, want to try?
No, miss.
It's erosion. Jamik, over to you. What's the name for all the conditions which surround an organism and in which it lives?
Habitat.
Or environment. That's correct. Jamik, what type of rock is marble?
Metamorphic.
That's correct. What word starting with R is the name for the reaction of a living thing after it has received a stimulus?
Response.
That's correct. Are most monkeys carnivores, herbivores, or omnivores?
Herbivores.
That's incorrect. Captain, want to try?
Yes, please. Omnivores.
That is correct. Jamik, name 3 agents by which rock particles can be carried away during erosion.
Wind, water, and gravity.
That's incorrect. Captain, want to try?
Yes, please. Wind, water, and
Oh, that's accepted? Sorry, Jamik, that's actually correct, and that the judges have accepted that answer, which therefore takes us to our next face-off in the category of English language. It's between Tace Alexander Nelson of Mona Heights Primary up against LaCorey Barnes of Mandeville Primary. Tace, what's the past participle of pay? As in P-A-Y.
Paid.
Say again?
Paid.
Yes, that's correct. Spell special.
S-P-E-C-I-A-L. Special.
That's correct. Does the word pugnacious mean calm, aggressive, or pleasant?
Calm.
That's incorrect. LaCorey, want to try?
Yes, miss. Aggressive.
That is correct. Tace, according to the idiom, what can be killed with 1 stone?
2 birds.
That's right. Changing the verb in this sentence to the present continuous tense. I went to work in the summer.
I am going to work in the summer.
That's correct. Bringing us now over to LaCorey. What's the past participle of shine, as in S-H-I-N-E?
Sean.
Say again?
Sean. S-H-O-N-E.
That is correct, or shine. LaCorey, spell starry. Question passes to Tace. Want to try?
Yes, please. S-T-A-R-R-Y.
That is correct. LaCorey, does the word audacious mean timid, hesitant, or bold?
Hesitant.
That's incorrect. Tace, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's bold. LaCorey, complete the proverb. To bite off more than. Tace, want to try?
Yes, miss. You can chew.
That is correct. LaCorey, change the verb in this sentence to the future tense. I sat on the chair at the party.
I will sit on the chair at the party.
That is correct. Taking us now to our next face-off in the category of social studies. It's between Sachelle Lothian of Mona Heights Primary up against the captain of Mandeville Primary, Captain Avriel Manning. Sachelle, we begin with you. In which Jamaican parish is Rio Bueno?
Trelawney.
Or St. Anne. It's on the border. That is correct. Sachelle, which major line of latitude is located at 0 degrees?
Equator.
That's right. On a map, what color usually represents water-related features?
Blue.
That's right. In which Caribbean island was the capital changed from Plymouth because of the ravages of a volcano?
St. Vincent and Grenadines.
That's incorrect. Captain, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's Montserrat. Sachelle, which Prime Minister of Jamaica was fondly called Joshua by his supporters?
PJ Patterson.
That's incorrect. Captain, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's Michael Manley. Captain, we're now over to you. In which Jamaican parish is Fort William?
Westmoreland.
That's incorrect. Sachelle, want to try?
No, thank you.
St. Thomas. Captain, Which major line of latitude is located at 23.5 degrees south?
Tropic of Capricorn.
That's right. On a map, what color usually represents vegetation features?
Green.
That's right. In which Caribbean country is the La Soufrière volcano?
Haiti.
That's incorrect. Sachel, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's St. Vincent and the Grenadines. Captain, which Prime Minister of Jamaica was fondly called Chief by his supporters?
Edward Siaga.
That's incorrect. Sachel, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's Sir Alexander Bustamante. And that's the end of the final face-off and the end of section 2. The scores are Mona Heights Primary on 19 and Mandeville Primary right behind on 18. Stay tuned. The final challenge will determine our winners right after this break.